Bill Goudy checking in. Had a wonderful night last night. I'm at the Kentucky Horse Park. Oh, I slept so good. Yeah, cooled down nicely. Oh, it was just, and it rained a little bit this morning, and now the sun's shining, but they're saying widely scattered showers for today, and then potential for some severe weather tonight. I think I'm going to head on down to the Levi State Park. It's just north of Corbin, and hopefully they'll have a spot for me there tonight. I'm hoping to stay down there. Let's see, it's 8 o'clock, 8:07 my time. It's 9:07 their time. I lost an hour coming over here. So, yeah, it's Eastern time now. I'm going to try this Bakeapple. Yeah, I'm going to put a little bit of this on. I'm going to make a couple pieces of toast and have a hard-boiled egg. And, yeah, there's a little bit of carbs in this. 8 grams of carbs. But, you know what? There's 10 grams of carbs in a Busch beer. So I just have to not drink a Busch beer today. I'll eat this instead. I want to try it. I've never tried it. Join me. This is the Ezekiel bread. It's organic and it is low glycemic. It won't affect your blood sugars. And it's sprouted grains. You have to keep it frozen because it does not have the capacity, the storage capacity like flour, or like enriched flour bread does. And so it's frozen together. Let me see if there we go. Do you see that? Those squirrels and those birds are having a heyday over at that next campsite. I see them chewing up the hot dog buns and oh, ornery. They are ornery. I don't know. I think the people are gone. Either that, or they're still sleeping. I mean, it's 9 o'clock here, but they put the tarp down, and the car is there. But look, I can't. Everything's zipped up, so I don't see any people. Just animals. And they're having fun. They're eating. Yeah, they're eating good. Speaking of eating good, a hard-boiled egg. Easy peel hard-boiled egg, too. I might add. There it is. My breakfast. Little Bakeapple. Couple of hard-boiled eggs. Yeah, you know, no breakfast is complete without Texas Pete. This is my apple cider vinegar and tea. I usually use the juice of a half a lemon, but I'm out of lemons, so I'll have to stop and get some today. That's on the agenda. Let's try this. Let's see what this tastes like. I have no idea what the flavor is like. If it's bitter or sweet or what. It's good. It's good. I can tell you that. It's very sweet. Well, particularly for a low carb guy who doesn't have sweets. You know, it's kind of got an apple flavor, but it's not apple flavor. I don't know how to describe it. It's a sweet flavor, very sweet, and for my taste, exceptionally sweet. because I'm not doing sweets. But it's good. I want to thank Ted. Ted from Canada sent this to me from Newfoundland. Yeah. Yeah, it's excellent. It's very good.
Quickly, or call
Well,
844-711-8800 now.
It's raining
Radio and begin exploring more
again.
Than 140 channels.
Will this ever
Sneak
stop?
away from the deafening noise of your daily.
I want to talk about a change in terrain. Yeah, look at the hills and hollers. Yeah, it's awesome. I'm at the Levi Jackson State Park. I'm not far from Corbin, Kentucky, but I can't remember. I don't know, maybe it's got the address. I can't remember what city this is. They're forecasting rain for tonight. It is Levi Jackson State Park in London, Kentucky. $36 a night to stay here, and they have water and electrical hookups and a dump station and a nice little camp store. People are so friendly here, I'm telling you. Fortunately, I got some 4G Verizon signals a little bit here, so at least I got the internet. But for TV signals, not much going on in Kentucky, I'm telling you. I had this problem the last time I was down here. It just not much free to air stuff. I think I'm gonna fire up the Camp Made grill and have me some John's barbecue sauce. Thanks to Shane Sloan. I'll put his link down below. He sent this to me. I don't know, I think it was around Christmas time, but I've had so much stuff going on, I'm just now getting around to making a video for him. He sent me a couple bottles of this. Actually, I got a whole box full of stuff. But yeah, as soon as these wings defrost, I'll get that Camp Made charcoal going, and we'll give this a try. That looks good. Everything he sent me was from Oklahoma. This says Oklahoma State Champion. John's barbecue sauce. Take a look at some of this Camp Made equipment. This is their charcoal pan. This is their grill. This is their Camp Made tool. Yeah, this is so awesome. This is their coconut charcoal. In here is their folding collapsible. This will fit right inside the Dutch oven. Charcoal chimney. I use that for a hobo stove too. And look, it's got the notches cut out. Fits right in that tray. Now if you notice, the grill is marked with a number 2, and if you look at the legs on here, if you look at the legs on here, they're numbered 1, 2, and 3. This is how you fold them up. You just put the grill right down here, and this is number 2. Number 2 goes right in here. That just lines up perfect. And that is all there is to it. Just like that. Look at this. I love this. This is just like the old style charcoal used to be. You know, it works so good. But this is coconut, but it doesn't impart any flavor. It just works like charcoal, but it burns hotter and lasts longer. That's just how easy it is. That's wax. That's a wax, and that will drip down. So I put a couple on the top. I actually put that in the middle. I don't put it on the bottom. I put it in the middle. It works out great for me. Can you see that? Oh, if you could only taste the goodness. Looks like you're almost ready. Just how easy that is. Here's a little trick I do. Camp Made recommends just turning over the Dutch oven, but I find it's kind of awkward and kind of heavy. And I just use my stainless steel bowl and turn it over, and it helps trap the smoke and the heat in. And it'll cook a little faster that way. That's just my little tip for today. I want to thank those people at Camp Made. They just make some awesome equipment. You guys want some Camp Made stuff? I'll put a link down below. Enter Goudy 20 in the code. I can save you 20% off. Tell them Bill Goudy sent you. Sounds like rain. Yeah, my stuff is done. Looking pretty good. Just in time, I think. I washed that bowl out with soap and water because I'm going to reuse it again. Put my sauce on. Thank you, Shane. I'm anxious to give this a try. Wings are one of my favorites. It's coming. You know it's going to be here in just a matter of minutes. Look at this, will you? Look at this. Hot. That charcoal flavor. When you're used to cooking on wood, like I am, it's a pleasure to get charcoal. And that charcoal is so easy to travel with. You don't have to worry about spreading that emerald ash border. Finger looking good. Of course, this is messy and I didn't bring a paper towel. Man, that's good. Uh-oh. Here it comes. Just in time. Listen, thanks for watching. The adventure continues. Goudy out. That's one way to put a fire out. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's just pouring. Yeah, it's a warm rain. Thanks for watching.